This is how I feel right now, boys. I can't be touched. This day was a 7RR day, 3 for fucking 3, okay? I usually don't trade this way. I usually take one trade a day, but today the markets were kind of moving pretty solid. The fucking trend was hella bearish until it wasn't. Towards the end, I caught a little fucking counter move to the upside, and then it continued back bearish. The trend is your friend, okay? That's all I'm going to say. The trend is your friend, but if you can get a counter trade, take that shit. Probably over 7RR. First trade, we got a 2.5. Second trade, 2.1. Third trade, 2.4. Pretty solid, bro. And look, you can see my first trade, I used 1 contract. Second trade, 3 contracts. Third trade, I believe I actually used like 5 or 6 contracts. Straight up. But I was taking partials on the way up, on the way down as well. Now let's go over this whole trading. All 3 of these trades, we're going to go over every one. Again, going to be a quick recap. I don't like this shit. Don't need to be long. It's self-explanatory. You guys know how it is. But some of this shit is a little different from my usual trading ways. So let's go. All right. We're on the 1 minute. Obviously, we're already in between 9:30 and 9:34. Let me turn this down a little bit more here so I can hear myself think. But let's go through this. All right. So the first trade I noticed, we had equal highs up here. We also had buy-side liquidity get swept. And we had a huge bearish engulfing candle that broke this structure. We also had this candle that broke structure. Right away, I'm like, oh shit, we want to dump. We've been wanting to dump now for a while. We've been going up for a while. We've wanted to dump now. And that's exactly what we did. I'm kind of upset at myself that I didn't hold down here. But hey, you can't do that. Don't beat yourself up, okay? We still secured profit. Dude, honestly, this month was not going in my favor, honestly. November has not been my month so far. It has not. Until today, I have had a break-even week. And last month, I've been down a couple bucks. I'm not going to cap with you guys. But today, we made a lot of that back. Plus more. So, I'm happy. So, real quick, let's dive in. Hey, how you doing? All right, I'm a little fucking pumped right now. But listen, hey, gotta control your emotions, okay? I'm gonna come into the market tomorrow. I know there's 9:45 PMI. I also know there's 10 a.m. news. Red folder news for PMI. So I'm just gonna be careful. I'm gonna be sitting on my hands for a minute. I'm gonna see if there's any opportunities. If there's not, I will not trade. It's as simple as that. We ended this week strong as fuck. I do not care if I don't trade tomorrow. I will come back bigger, better, stronger, as Pitbull says, for next week. Simple as that. Till then, let's do this trade recap. Let's get into this now. Stop. Come on. You're getting distracted. Let's go. All right. So, as I said, bearish engulfing candle, cha-ching, market structure shift, cha-ching. I like seeing that shit. We also had a bearish fair value gap. We never came into it, but honestly, market was too strong. I just had a feeling we wanted to come down, bro. And usually that comes with market experience, all right? We have tiny imbalances all through here. We have fucking sell side liquidity through here. So I just kind of had a feeling. I mean, look at this. All the way down here, there's sell side liquidity. I just had a feeling market wanted to dump on us, okay? We've been wanting to take a shit for a minute, and we finally did. Look at this. Taking the stairs up, stairs, slow, elevator down, boom, okay? Perfect analogy for that. Can't say anymore. So we secured a 1 to 2.5, easy money, okay? My ass did clench here. I didn't want to see us reverse. That's been happening to me previously, last week, and the previous trading days. Just have not had the best PA lately. So I did take profit. I wanted to lock in some profit, so that's what I did. Secured a 2.5, easy money. All these imbalances got cleared up, including the ones all the way down here and this liquidity. After that, I was like, all right, bet. I thought I was done for the day. I truly thought I was done for the day. So I was just doing my thing, blah, 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 letting it go. I seen we come up, hit this beautiful bearish fair value gap. Now, yes, there's a bearish fair value gap up here as well, but we hit this one. We're having trouble breaking through it. I'm noticing that, right? We also have these imbalances up here. These all interact. All 3 of these imbalances right here interact to inverse fair value gaps now, and this is exactly where this came. I can pull these over. Let me see if I can pull these over for you guys. You guys can see here. Quite didn't hit, but these ones hit. And this one. So these are all now inverse fair value gaps, right? That's how you have to look at it. This is a bearish fair value gap. Market dumped huge. had a retracement back up to this big bearish fair value gap, and we want to come right back down, right? What do we have through here? We have more imbalances. Now, I still didn't hold all the way down here. Why? Because this usually is not my trading style. This is honestly more of scalping. I usually do not do this, so I wasn't familiar with it, but it was still like with my strategy, if you can tell. And that's what I was trying to tell you guys. Like, this strategy works on a lot of the time frames, a lot of pairs. It's fucking great, right? It's great. But so buy side liquidity was swept. Count that as buy side liquidity. We got swept, right? What do we see now? Oh, we have this huge candle right here. This doji. Kind of have a feeling again. I think market's going to continue dumping. We just had this huge market dump. Why would it not want to continue dumping? Okay. Now this could have easily have went back up. Okay. And we could have got screwed, but that's part of trading. Sometimes you have to take the chance, roll the dice, plays out. As you know, we have beautiful market structure already, in balance. We have sell side liquidity. All this is liquidity. All of it wants to get taken out. So that's exactly what I did. Right when I seen this break this candle to the downside, this black bearish candle, I hopped in right there. I was like, all right, bet, let's run it. 3 contracts, boom. Literally within 1 minute, we made a 1 to 2. Like I said, this is usually not how I trade, but I capitalized on today. And sometimes that's what you have to do. It comes with market experience. Drag your fucking nuts, okay? So after that trade, market continued coming down, dumping. And then I was like, all right, you know what? We've dumped now. Based off of previous structure, we dumped, came back up. This is a counter trend trade, okay? That's exactly what I did here. Came up, I knew, okay, we're due for a little pullback, right? We have to take out some buy side liquidity now, have a little tiny imbalances within here. I'm going to see if we can get something off of this. So what do I see? Bang, bang, bang. I will show you. So first I noticed right here, I did not have this marked out, but this is considered sell side liquidity. Okay? This is sell side liquidity sweep. Listen, I want to say this real quick. A lot of people are looking at a whole bunch of PA all the way back here from like fucking 3 days ago, 2 days ago, weeks ago. Listen, that shit don't matter anymore. It does not matter anymore, okay? You need to look at the present. What is happening right now? What is happening right now? Depending on how you're trading. I trade in lower time frames. I need to see what is going on right now at this moment. I do not care what's going on fucking weeks ago. The longest I'll go back, 1 day I'll go back. This is from today at 8:12. Too many people go back a couple days to see what's happening without previous market structure. That is in the past, bro. We're in the present, okay? Look at what is happening right now. That's how you'll see. The market is changing every single day, every single minute, every hour. It is changing. None of that previous market structure is going to matter right now unless you're on higher time frames, obviously. But lower time frames, you need to look at the now, okay? So we have a market structure shift. Right here, we broke this candle. This is a market structure shift. You have a down candle and up candle that counts as a market structure shift. I have multiple different breakup structures, market structure shifts. Up here could have continued. This could have been a huge market structure shift. But what would have happened? I would have missed the huge trade. But this is a market structure shift. We have an up and a down. This whole thing is a down leg, right? We broke it with this engulfing candle. It broke. But we also have a breakup structure right here. 2 candles. So this is considered a market structure shift as well. You have a down candle and an up candle. It consists of 2 candles. You can either have an up candle and a down candle, or a down candle and an up candle, whichever one breaks. This is considered a breakup structure. I jumped in right up here. Consolidating. Right when we had that little thing down here and it held, I was like, all right, you know what? I like that. This whole thing counts as a breaker block. So I knew when we came down here, all right, let's enter. I entered for 3 contracts, I believe. We came straight up, take out this buy side liquidity. Let me delete this. This buy side liquidity, these imbalances, all the way up here, buy side liquidity. And then we had another fucking doji. And look, continued shitting the bed. Back down. And now we're coming back up. And that's what's happening now. That's how I was able to take 3 trades. We went 3 for 3 today. It was beautiful. So, hey, can't complain. 2 to 3. You got to love it. Accept it. that's pretty much my day for today. Locked in a 7RR, and that was from 9:30 to about 10:15. 9:30 to 10:15. Now I'm gonna probably go get some fucking food, probably go get some breakfast. Then I'm gonna go home, hit the gym. Then I'll have to do an outside workout, get back on the computer, work on my other venture that I'm trying to go into. Like I said, trading is a vehicle to a lot more things. It gives you free time. It truly does. People are trying to be like, oh, I'm on the charts 24/7. At the beginning of your trading stages, yes, I was too. I was doing a whole bunch of stuff. I was going back, doing fucking back testing, all that stuff. And then I realized, you know what? Why would I want to back test? That's all old price data. I want to forward test, okay? You want to forward test instead of back testing, do forward testing. Because then you can pick something like a trade, find an opportunity, see if it would have hit. Okay, do your strategy on a paper account, or just don't even put anything in it. Just see if it would hit. As if you were back testing, only forward test now. Because back testing is old data. It's old fucking price data. Old price action. It's been done already. Yes, definitely back testing helps, 110%. But try forward testing. Shit you not, try forward testing. You'll see what I mean. That's pretty much the day. How long is this video? 12 minutes? Alright. Hope more people watch this video because there's some, a lot of this comes with market fucking knowledge, experience with being in the market for a long time, and just kind of knowing what market wants to do, where's a trend, counter trend trades, and it shows. Bitcoin's at fucking 97K. Dude, honestly, holy balls, boys. Let's fucking go. As always, happy trading. Have a beautiful fucking day. I already said that. Happy trading again, though. Peace out, fellas. All right, that's all I can say. Have a good one. Take care. As well as also happy Thanksgiving coming up next week. Have a good fucking holidays, eh, boys? Be careful trading next week as well. But hey, deuces.